1999, we set up the company Astex to pioneer a new approach to drug discovery, which is now called fragment-based drug discovery. It's a very innovative approach to discovering small molecule drugs against a variety of different targets. And we're very proud of the fact that we've been associated with 3 drugs which have got to market. The third of it is capivasertib.
So capivasertib is a first-in-class oral targeted small molecule inhibitor. AKT is a key cancer target. It's involved in a mechanism by which many cancers survive and grow and ultimately resist treatment. And what we're trying to do with capivasertib is to block this enzyme and therefore block this pathway.
The journey of capivasertib really started with scientists at the Institute of Cancer Research trying to develop drugs against a protein called AKT. Professor David Barford, one of the scientists, was able to determine the 3-dimensional structure. And because he knew we were developing this FBDD approach, we established a collaboration with them. That resulted in some new chemistries which we were able to generate, which are very potent inhibitors of AKT.
A fragment-based drug design platform, it goes into several cycles of refinement, starting from small molecules, which is a fragment, and use a platform that we call pyramid, that basically uses X-ray crystallography to visualize the 3D pocket of the protein where the ligand will sit in, and then the modeler, which is myself, starts to do a next step of design of molecules that are then synthesized by the chemist, assayed, tested, and if they prove to be as good as expected, they go into another cycle, crystal structure, you visualize how it binds, and you keep growing. That's why it's a pyramid.
One step in the process are DMPK studies, which is drug metabolism and pharmacokinetics. So that's the study of the drug in the body, that it can get to the target in the tumour and how it's then eliminated from the body. So we were involved in showing that the prototype compounds were actually active against human tumours that had been grown in vivo. So that was a great achievement.
To be able to then transform those lead compounds into an actual new medicine, you really needed to partner with a big player. And so it was fantastic that AstraZeneca were able to partner with us and have done an excellent job in subsequently discovering the capivasertib molecule itself and then its further development and testing in clinical trials. This is a fantastic new medicine we think is going to help many new cancer patients. Drug discovery is a very collaborative effort, so it requires many different scientists with different disciplines. It also takes a long time. 20 years is not uncommon to go from concept to a drug which is approved. So capivasertib, in many ways, is an excellent example of the success of British science and the strength of the UK life sciences. We are very excited about the future because it will allow us to continue to develop and grow and apply our very powerful technology to find new drugs.